Today I'll show you how to make vegan chocolate muffins. Perfect as a snack, dessert or for parties. Start with preheating your ovens to 180 degrees Celsius. Before we make our muffins, we want to fill our muffin tin with baking cups. For our muffins we want to add the dry ingredients first, so add the flour, sugar, vanilla sugar, baking powder with a pinch of salt and cocoa powder to a mixing bowl and mix these together. You don't need a machine for this, everything can be done with a spoon. If all the dry ingredients are mixed together, you can add your wet ingredients. So add your olive oil and milk and mix everything until it's combined. Don't overmix it. Optional thing you can do here is add some chocolate chips. Now we're going to grab 2 spoons and start filling our cups. I went with 1 big spoon per cup. This way the muffins don't overflow the cups. When all your cups are filled, throw the muffins into the oven for 25 minutes. When done, pull them out of the oven and let them rest in the tin for a few minutes. When cooled down, pull them out of the tin and serve them. And that's one very easy muffin recipe that's loved by our families and colleagues. So I hope you like it too. Enjoy!